Hello guys and welcome back to another video of mine on my channel. It's been a long time, I know, but now I'm back, at least for this video. We have the first main set of 2026 in Yu-Gi-Oh! Burst Protocol. I have an entire booster box here, cracking it open just for you. Let's hope we get something good, and I'm also very excited for this set and for the next main set. I will probably be opening this on my channel here too. It's called Blazing Dominion. Maybe even some of the side sets, you know, with a Maze of the Muerto, I think it's called. So let's see what we can get here. I'm back and let's start with the right half of the box. Let's get into it. Just gonna put this aside here. I have my Samus Aran, specifically the, can't probably see it, but it's the Metroid Prime 4 Beyond mat, get for every pre-order. And I enjoyed the game. It wasn't that crazy. It has nothing to do with the previous games whatsoever, basically. But I enjoyed it. I haven't really played any Metroid Prime 4, but it was still enjoyable. So I think we should do the pack trick, right? 4 from the back. And we got this thing here. Pisanta, the Titan of Troubadours. Yep. Arson Autolot, GMX Allows, Radiant Typhoon Ascendance, Wake Up Earl, like Earl Grey, tea, maybe. First Armed Dragon, Salt Lich, Dirk, Longing for the Blue Skies. And that's our first secret rare. Wow. And we did the pack trick right. Tri-Brigade, Springen's Kit. Wow. Didn't expect this. Also need this card for my Springen's deck. I'm one of the few Springen's enjoyers. Back then the deck was really busted with Cyberstein and Exterior. But then, yeah, Cyberstein got banned, so. Archfiend Playtime, Assist Yummy, Elf Notes Aristea of Trust, Archfiend's Fervor, Magnet Warrior Sigma Minus. I'm also very excited for these cards, and I think not all of the new Magnet Warriors in this set. I think some are in Blazing Dominion. Magnet Bonding, Dirk, Duke, Archfiend, and Junora, the Power Patron of Tuning. I hope I can get some of those Elf Notes cards. And the Fallen of the White Dragon, I think it's called. I really need this, like a 60-70 euro card right now. It will probably drop since I've checked like since a couple of days ago. So sort of pre-sale prices. So Rain of Rocks, Shipping Archfiend, yeah. GMX, Pisanta, Rocket Detonator, the new Triple D. It's decent, not that crazy. There's some Dragon, Dual Evolution Assault Zone, and Tree Boral Dragon, or the Trees Boral Dragon. Very cool card. You know what, just these, and I put this here. I don't know. think that's alright, yeah, that's fine. I'm just natural lighting my windows right now. I think that's enough. What do you guys think? Minor Frogs, GMX Associate Noma, Stormmain, first 11 synchro, that's dark. F-Notes, Rhapsodia of Madness, Doomsday Change. I don't know why they put just like one Doomsday card in this entire set. It's very random. And the Sigma Plus, Lich, the new Theorealize, nothing too crazy, and returned Dino Deneen, which is GMX support, but has no GMX in its name, which is weird, you know? It's weird. By the way, let's hope we get a Starlight. Wouldn't that be something? I would be really happy if you could get a Starlight or Fall of the White Dragon. Maybe some Elf Notes, Secrets, or Ultras, cool too. And that was Flux Oxenfeld, very good card for the Magnet Warrior deck. Mechanical Mechanic. This guy, Tip of the Tinying Tongue. Okay. Weapon for Hire, very nice card. This card is also very good. I think. No, it was Jehudi, I think. But you play this at least like one time, I think. Archery Strategy and Plea for Help. And this is our first Ultra, Archery Emperor. This is a very nice card. But nothing that I really need right now. I think we're... And this is the 6th pack, I think. Yes. 4 from the back. And I'm very excited for the new cards in here. I really like to play F-Notes. But this is trash. Come on, place this. The boss on parade and the BES archetype. Thrown out cheats. I could maybe consider playing Archeans, to be honest. But not a big fan of Dragon Link. First Penguin, that's a nice card. Fandora. Whoa! We get the Spenta? Wow, that made me spit. Spenta? Spit? Yeah. Whoa, that made me spit on that thing. I got too excited here. This is a W. Any freaking Starlight is a W. And we got Spandel. This is a very good card. Let me get a sleeve. I think some sleeves right here. Let's get a sleeve. So we're missing at least 3 more foils, like not supers, but like ultras. Spenta, Starlight Rare. That's very nice. Let's leave the Secret Rare too. I didn't expect this, but it's not uncommon, and yeah. Okay, very cool. I'm satisfied. Sorry. This was our 6th pack. Yeah. Let's continue. We could maybe get another secret rare. It could happen. It could all happen. Riot's Reason, Mischief of the Wolves, GMX Chairman, Kimbridge, Duke Archfiend, Dark Lord, Golette, Magnet Bonding, Doomsday Change, and a Bar Reboot. This is a very nice counter trap. Since you can like activate it on the same turn it was set, or from your hand by paying high for life, it seems. Very nice card. All trap cards, especially counter traps that can be like activated from your hand or the turn to reset, are amazing. Have you heard about Solemn Report, I think it's called? Crazy card. Yugioh, Boss on Parade. Elf Notes, Rhapsody of Madness, Double Interlock, Rocket Detonator, First Penguin, Etherealized Liberation, and we get the cover card. Is this the cover card? No, this is the fusion. This is not the cover card. The cover cards are always ultra rare. And it's a link 5 or 6. I think it's link 5. Like the other Brawl Load, or whatever it's called. It's also link 5. Which is pretty insane. All these link monsters are insane. Chairman, Arsenal, Shipping, Playtime, Play for Help. This is a very nice addition for the Fur Higher deck. Gang of Springs, yes, I need this. At least one time, I think you just play one. And we got our next ultra rare, the Rescue is Quick Attacker. Nothing too crazy here. I think those ultra rares are not too crazy. The Spenta was going for a bit, and Springs, it's Springs, come on. Don't replace the deck, it's cool. I think it's cool, still. But, yeah. What Nika, the Fountain Spirit? Clinical Sun, Mischief Wolves, Santa, Earl, First Armed, Liberation, Sigma Minus, and Jade Dragon Mech, the Light attribute. We have now Fire, Water, and Wind, I think. Maybe get Dark, Light, or probably Earth in the near future, if we haven't already gotten Earth. I'm not sure. But over like a decade or so, we got like 3 different attributes of the same monster machine. I don't know. Allos, Noma, Mechanic, Oxenfeld, Strategy, Galaho, Sigma Plus, Assault Lich, and the Zaylan, the Shackle Dragon. This is a very nice card, especially for the Red Archfiend deck, I think. No, this was the left side. We have 1 pack left on the right side. Let's see. Playtime. Ascendance. Trust. Boss on Parade. Assault Zone. Hollow Rock Dragon. Dirk, Longing for Blue Skies, and Earl, and Velox. Very nice. I think we can now skip through most of the comments. So, this is the left side. By the way, I've shuffled the right side. I didn't shuffle the left side. Oh, I didn't want to do the card trick, but whatever. Or Dark Cloud Dance, we haven't gotten that. Look at this. Apparently this got censored in the TCG. Apparently they were way closer together. Oxenfeld, yeah, Change, Interlock, Strategy. And we get this. This is a very nice hand trap. Especially for the Radiant Different deck. Very nice. Secret. We got a secret. 2 secrets, and this is amazing. I love this set. This box is very nice. Let's leave this. Yeah. So we are potentially missing 2 ultras. If you like this video, click the like button, press the bell, you already know it. Subscribe, whatever. I didn't want to do the factory, right? I still do it. I don't know why. Nothing new, nothing new. And we get the new Invoke. This is very nice. I like this card. This is the... which is weird because we got the alternate artwork for Invocation with this card featured on the spell. But now we actually got the card, you know? Which is weird. It's very weird. And we got a playmat. I had this playmat, but I sold it. I think I sold it. I don't know. I think I sold it. Still doing the factory. No, let's stop that. And we got a Derringer Core BS. Nothing new here, I think. Just a couple more packs, I think like 8 packs. 24 packs, not much, you know? Let's skip it. This is a new common, I think. Viper type L. Another Boral reboot. Unfortunately, it doesn't look good with Elf Mode cards. I really wanted this to happen, you know? And no Fall of the White Dragon, unfortunately. But you can't get everything, you know? Still doing the factory. Why am I doing this? And this guy. Need at least one of this, I think. And nothing new here. Delusion, the Magna Warrior. Very cool, very cool. Let's see. Leave a comment if you're a knight that I'm still doing the pack trick. And another Magna Warrior. Or Conduction Warrior. Plasma Magnum. I think... yeah, I'm not reading this, by the way. I think we have gotten this before. It's a 4 higher card. Okay, no, I'm not reading this. This is stupid. The text is like so long. Come on. Yep, 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 yep. Again. Yep, 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 yep. Come on, I need this continuous spell, I think. That's a super from Elf Modes, or like any main deck monster from Elf Modes. And we got this trash monster. This is like literally garbage. I've heard about this card, the Dracodale Chavalas. Literally nobody plays this. Even with like a Athenian semi-limited or limited, nobody played this in the OCG or wherever this card is limited now. Nightmare Hands, yes, I needed this like at least once. This is a cool card. Illusion. I like this card. And our last 3 packs. 3 packs. Could still get maybe Alpha cards. Would be cool. Well, we got an Alpha card, but nothing that oh, this is what I needed. Thank you. At least something. You need this like 2 times, at least once, like to synchro, since it is tuner. And I got the Elf Nodes, the Power Patron. Now I got 2 of the Power Patrons, the synchro one and the main deck monster. Wow, 3? 3 bar reboot. Like I think I've never this never happened. You get 3 bar reboot. Imagine you got like something like Bestial Jerusalem then back then. 3 times in one booster box, or something like the Wakaushi, like 2 years ago. That was insane. These were like $10, 10 euro, maybe up to $20, like super rares. This is the last pack. I did the pack trick again, but I want to do this time actually. Let's go, card for card. Yugioh Slan, Assist Yami, Vodnika, the Fallen Spirit, GMX, Associate Noma, Doomsy Change, Elfnauts, a Plea for Help, Gung Ho Springans, Fedora, the Flying Fighting Fortress, and Nightwing Cleric. This is an Assault Mode card, by the way. Very nice that we didn't get a 4th or reboot, but yeah. Nothing too crazy for the supers. That's fine. I got these. I got these cards. I did get 2 of the Magna Warrior cards. Whoop. I get this one. This is very nice. The Jade Dragon it's fine too. Like, you know. It's okay. Nobody cares. This and this. At least I got like these 3, which is fine. And of course the like. What a better box could you have asked for, really? Like, come on. 2 decent secrets. Like, at least this is decent, this is okay. But like this, come on. By the way, this is of course not sponsored. Thank you guys for watching. If you have anything you want to ask me or request in the future, I do. Leave a comment. You already know it. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, maybe subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.